Why some companies achieve huge rewards from their data science investments and others find themselves chasing the rewards but never really reaching them. There seems to be two crucial elements that are common across companies which have achieved major success with their data science investments. Number one, defining the business value and where it comes from. The first thing you should be asking is that, are we doing this for science or for business? You need to be careful about which you're aiming for. As the field is evolving at light speed, it is tempting to go with the hype and start experimenting with all types of new algorithms and techniques. These experiments are important as well to keep up with the latest developments, but the biggest rewards typically are found in doing the day-to-day operations extremely well. So the first question should be that where in the business the number of repeating events or transactions is significant and find use cases there. Focusing on automating as much of the core business as possible is usually a good direction. Number two, understanding the long run. The return of your investment in data science depends a lot on how you keep your team and models they build efficiently working for years, not just the initial POC or project duration. It is tempting in the beginning just to focus on the development phase and neglect the costs associated with updates, maintenance, and team member changes. However, the more efficient you are with the long run, the better your investment return will be. Therefore, it is important to consider these things right from the start, or they will slowly but surely deteriorate your return on investment. Based on years of experience working with some of the world's most challenging data and AI problems, we have developed a framework for successful data science investments called the AI Value Accelerator. It covers the essential steps how you get to business value as fast as possible with your existing analytics platform or when you are starting from scratch. There are 4 steps in the framework. First, innovate the business. To start the process, we typically work together with our customers to arrange an innovation workshop or a series of workshops. It is a combination of inspiring cases from other customers and industries and typically utilizes design thinking methods for coming up with new use cases packed with business value. Second, kickstart the analytics journey. After prioritizing the set of use cases from the innovation workshop, we work together to build minimum viable products or pilots out of the selected use cases. It is critical to get wins quickly to keep up a good momentum and understand if there are some practical challenges that need to be solved before use cases can go into production. Third, operationalize analytics. To get full value out of the use cases, they need to be integrated as part of repeating business processes. Some of these can be batch jobs, work in real time in customer channels, for example. Model governance is also set up so that model monitoring and retraining are efficient processes with high degree of automation. Finally, maintain the analytics organization. This is the last step, but it really needs to be considered right from the start. It involves setting up processes for smooth updates, efficient maintenance, and people upskilling. Best practices are defined to set up the framework as a repeating process that continues to produce new use cases into production. With this framework, companies can make the most of their data science team and investments. Everything begins with an idea. The value, however, lies in its use. We have the technology and specialists to help companies and organizations every step of the way in this framework. I'm happy to discuss further how to get full benefits out of this framework, so feel free to reach out with any questions. And as always, Thanks for watching.